In this video, I'm talking to home buyers, and I want to give you 5 questions you should ask a prospective lender that you're planning to work with to purchase your home. So the first question is, what types of loans do I qualify for? You may assume because you've owned a home before that you don't qualify for an FHA loan. However, there are lots of factors that go into what makes someone qualify for an FHA loan, and so that's a good question to ask. Even whether you qualify for a VA loan, a USDA loan, conventional, there's different types of conventional loans, there's different types of FHA loans. So it's real important to ask what are your options, and then work together with your lender to determine what makes the most financial sense for you in terms of what type of loan do you want to proceed with. The second question you should ask your lender is, how much down payment do you need? Again, with different loans, there's different down payment amounts. And again, even with conventional, a lot of people assume you need 20% down, but there are 10%, there are 5%, there's even a 3% conventional down loan. So there's a variety of different down payments, even within each different loan type. So it's important to talk over with your lender what your down payment expectations are. That way you can make sure you have enough of a down payment when you go under contract for the house, so you're not scrambling to come up with the money at the last minute. The third question you should ask your lender is, do you need to get pre-qualified and pre-approved? Basically here, what I'm going to tell you is you need to get pre-approved in this market. Sellers are not going to sign a contract with someone that's pre-qualified. And I've done other videos on the difference, but just real quick, pre-qualification is basically you call a lender or you meet with a lender in their office, you tell them, here's how much I make, here's what my monthly payments are, and here's what my assets and what my liabilities are, and here's what my credit score is. And based on that, they tell you what you're pre-qualified for. They don't verify any of the numbers, they don't verify your income, they don't verify your credit score, and so in all honesty, a pre-qualification isn't worth the paper it's written on. With a pre-approval, the lender is actually going to verify all of those things. They're going to verify your assets, they're going to verify bank statements, they're going to verify income, they're going to verify liabilities, they're going to verify your credit score. So the pre-approval is much more solid. And for a seller, that's what they're going to want to see when they go under contract. You have to submit a pre-approval letter with your offer letter, with your offer typically. So you really need to be pre-approved. The fourth question you need to ask a lender is, can the seller contribute to your closing costs? Every situation is different, and different loans have different limits on how much a seller might contribute to your closing costs. So you want to know that information up front so that you can talk with your realtor when you are ready to submit an offer, so that you can put those terms, whatever your seller contributions you're asking for, can be in your offer. If you don't know that up front, it can delay submitting an offer, and you might lose the house because you don't already have that information at hand. And then the fifth question you should ask your lender is, do you have a loyalty rewards program? So there's a lot of programs out there where they reward you if you have done a loan with the program before or with that particular lender before. And so it can be helpful to ask if there are any types of rewards programs that could save you money. You know, in this market where mortgage rates are high, anything that can potentially save you money is definitely an advantage. And so let's look and find all the different ways that might save you money. If you have other questions or you want to talk to a lender, I have several good ones that I work with that I know are solid and will find you the best deal. Please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Remember, you can't miss with Chris. Have a great day, everybody.